Good morning, children. Today we will have to solve our exercise 11.3 triangle inequality property. So first of all, we have to know about triangle inequality property. What is triangle inequality property? Here you have given a figure, this type of figure, in which given that this point A, this B, and this point C. Okay. So from this figure, if the sum of any two sides of the triangle is more than the third side of the triangle, then you can form triangle. Okay. And if the sum of any two sides is less than the third side of any triangle, then you cannot form any triangle. Okay. So from here we can say triangle inequality property. Triangle inequality property. What is triangle inequality property? First of all, we have to define it. The sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side, is greater than the third side, that is known as triangle inequality property. Triangle inequality property. Okay, we raise this. You can see here, by this definition, AB plus BC is greater than AB plus BC is greater than AC. Okay, or you can write it so BC plus AC is greater than AB. Okay, or also you can write this AC plus AB is always greater than BC. Okay, so this part is clear. Again, here you have also given that example number second. You have to solve it and you have to understand it. Here given that this type of figure you have given that in this problem, here point A, point M, and this is B, and this point C. Okay, so from here AM is the median of a triangle ABC. AM is the median of the triangle ABC. So here we have to prove that AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2AM. We have to prove this in triangle ABC. Okay, in this triangle we have to prove this. So first of all, we take in this triangle in ABM. In triangle ABM. In triangle ABM, we find from here that AB plus BM is greater than AM is greater than AM. Okay. Now again in this triangle, this is equation number first. In triangle AMC or ACM, we get from here that in ACM, AC plus MC is greater than AM, is greater than AM. That is equation number second. Okay. From here, by adding equation first and second, we get from here, we have to prove this. So AB plus BM, AB plus BM plus AC plus CM plus AC plus MC or CM, as you like, you can say AC plus CM is greater than AM plus AM, AM plus AM. So from here we find that AB plus BC, AB plus BC, here BC is equal to BM plus CM. You have to write also by this reason, because BC is equal to BM plus CM, BM plus CM. Okay. So from here we find that AB plus BC is equal to AB plus BC, BC is equal to BM plus CM, BM plus CM plus AC. Here remain that also AC. So AC is greater than AM plus AM is equal to 2AM. What we have to prove? Okay. AB plus BC plus AC is greater than 2AM. So this is our solution. Again, becoming on our exercise. So exercise 11.3. Here you have given the problem first. Can triangles be constructed with the following measurements of sides? Justify your answer. So here first A, part A 11 cm, 12 cm, 13 cm, 11 cm, 12 cm, 13 cm given there. Okay. So from here we get that 11 plus 12, 11 plus 12 is always greater than 13 cm, or 12 plus 13 is always greater than 11 cm, or 11 plus 13 is always greater than 12 cm. So the measurements of these sides also constructed, we can construct triangles. Okay. Again, you have given that here problem number 2. In problem number 2, make a point O in the interior of ABC. Suppose that you have a triangle named ABC, A, B, C, named ABC. Mark a point O in the interior of triangle ABC. Suppose here is a point O. So this is the median of this triangle. Okay. Now in this triangle, two parts of this triangle. Here ABO and AOC. Okay. Now again in this, here given that part A, AO plus OB is greater than AB. AO plus OB is greater than AB. So you can also satisfy this, that AO plus OB is greater than AB because of the inequality property of triangle. Okay, because an inequality property of triangle. Okay, again here given that part B, AO plus AC is less than OC. AO plus OC is less than OC. AO plus AC, sorry, AC is less than OC. So you can see here AO plus AC is less than OC. So this statement is false because you can see here AO plus OC is not less than AO plus AC is not less than OC because of inequality property of triangle. And you always know what is inequality property of triangle, that the sum of two sides, any triangle, the sum of two sides is always greater than the third side of the triangle. Okay, so you have to write also here the property of the triangle that the sum of any two sides in triangle is not less than the third side of the triangle Okay, you have to write this. What is the reason? So the reason is thus. Again, problem number 3, you have to also solve part C. Here given that problem number 3. What is problem number 3? You have given here a figure, this type of figure, sorry, this figure is thus, and also here draw a median by dot dot, here draw a median. Okay, given that A, B, D, C. Okay, from here you have given that in this question, in the adjacent figure, AD is perpendicular on the side BC. So here you can see that AD is perpendicular on the BC side. Okay, now from here given that on the side BC of triangle ABC, so this is the triangle ABC, and in this triangle AD is also perpendicular to one side BC. Prove that AB plus BC plus AC. Here we have to prove that AB plus BC plus AC is greater than 2AD. We have to prove this. So first of all, if we have to prove this, so first of all, in triangle ABD, here we find that AB plus BD is greater than AD. Okay, why is this side is greater than other two sides of the triangle? Because you know triangle inequality property. What is the triangle inequality property? In any triangle, the sum of two sides of the triangle is always greater than the third side of the triangle. Then you can form any triangle. So this is equation number first. Again in triangle ACD, given that, what is given that AD is always less than AC plus CD, or AC plus CD is always greater than AD, is always greater than AD. Okay, so from here we find, this is equation number second. From here we find AB plus AC plus BD plus CD plus BD plus CD is greater than AD plus AD. AD plus AD. How we find this? By adding equation first and second. Equation first and second. Okay, we find this. Here we have to prove this. So from here AB plus BC, now BD plus CD is equal to BC. So plus BC plus BC plus AC is greater than AD plus AD, 2AD. Okay, so 2AD, that we have to prove. Okay, this is our solution. And now time is over. We stop our writing, and again you have to solve also problem number 4, 5 and 6, 7. And now again also next day we solve any one problem in 4 problems. Okay, and you have also to try practice Pythagoras property in a right angle triangle. Now time is over and we stop our writing. Thank you children. Thank you.